name is Roger Meier. I'm the Senior Director of Golf Course Maintenance Operations for the PGA of America. We have built a fantastic facility here which eventually is going to encompass a 501-room resort, full clubhouse, a performance center, and home to our new PGA of America headquarters. We have 46 holes of golf, 2 championship golf courses, one designed by Bo Welling and the other designed by Gil Hance. We have a 10-hole shore course that both architects collaborated on, and we also have a 75,000 square foot putting course. We have over 180 acres of NorthBridge Bermudagrass here on the site. We've had several local golf courses in the area that were growing NorthBridge prior to our project, and we used them as a benchmark to help us evaluate our decision. We were very attractive to its cold tolerance, its late fall retention and color, and its early spring green up from dormancy. With hosting our major championships in May, it was critical for us to have a grass that would break dormancy early, have great color, and be superior in performance from a playability standpoint. We're really excited too about the grass for its versatility. We really believe that we can be very flexible in heights of cuts, going as low as a 1/4 inch up around greens, all the way up to a 1/2 inch, and then if we wanted to create some rough for our championships, we could. Currently, we do not have any rough planned for the golf courses. We're maintaining about 75 to 80 acres of just fairway turf, which goes right to native, but it would give us flexibility from a championship standpoint to vary heights of cuts. But what we are seeing out of it right now is really incredible. I mean, it's a very fine textured leaf blade. It's extremely dense. We think the wear tolerance is going to be tremendous. And as I spoke earlier, we think the cold tolerance and the performance in this part of the country with NorthBridge is going to be exceptional. Major championship golf hasn't been in Texas since the late 60s, and we're very excited about the announcement of bringing 26 events over the next 12 years. We really feel like we have everything for all levels of golf. Our mission with the PGA of America is to serve our members and grow the game, and we really feel like we have a great opportunity to grow the game here in the city of Frisco.